Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a Stormtrooper helmet step by step. We'll start with simple shapes and slowly build the whole helmet together. First, draw a soft wave shape in the middle of the page, like a small smile that goes up and down. Now extend this line to the right. Make both ends curve slightly upward, like I show. After that, take a ruler. Draw a straight horizontal line above the curve. This will be the top edge of the helmet visor. Carefully color the shape under the straight line with black. Go slowly and keep the edges clean, like I show in the picture. Make sure the black area is even and nice. Use a ruler like me if necessary. Next, draw a straight line above. And outline the bottom of the visor. Draw a thin curved line under the black shape, following the same wave form, on the left and on the right. After that, add a small curved line in the center under the visor. Now draw a longer curved line below, like a wide upside-down V shape with soft corners. This line forms the top of the mouth section. Then thicken this lower shape and fill it in with black. Now let's draw the small round details under the mouth line. First, draw a small circle on the left side, and another even smaller circle inside it. Then draw the same circle on the right side. After that, connect these two circles with a soft curved line. Now draw the nose filter shape in the center. It looks like a small upside down U. Place it exactly between the two circles. Next, add vertical lines inside this shape. Draw several straight lines from top to bottom, close to each other. Now we start shaping the cheeks. From the left side, draw a big smooth curve going down to the left side of the filter. Then do the same on the right side. Again, try to match the left side. After that, go back to the visor area. Draw a short straight line down and extend it to the left with a curve like I show. This starts forming the side of the helmet. Now draw the same helmet side on the right. The line goes down and curves. Finish drawing the helmet by connecting two parts like I show. First on the left, then on the right side. Next, add an inner line. The second line follows the first one, but stays a little inside. We draw it both on the left and on the right. Then add two curved lines like these on both sides. Now add the rib details on the cheeks. On the left side, draw several short curved lines close to each other. They all follow the shape of the cheek. Then do the same ribbed lines on the right side. Take your time and space them evenly. Next, draw several small curved lines inside the helmet under the visor. Now draw small vertical drops on the left and right ends of that top line. After that, place a ruler on top. Draw a thick straight line across the top to form the helmet band. Fill this top band completely with black. Color it evenly from left to right, like I show, without going outside the lines. Now we start drawing the top of the helmet. From the top, draw a long, smooth, curved line going down to the left side. Then continue this curve to the right side. Try to keep the shape even and symmetrical. After that, add small vertical details on both sides of the top band. Now draw two curved lines inside the helmet dome. Now we add the small side details of the helmet. On the left side, draw a short vertical shape next to the visor band. It looks like a small connector. Then draw the same shape on the right side. And that's our Stormtrooper helmet. I hope you enjoyed drawing it with me step by step. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy drawing videos. Thanks for drawing with me and see you next time. Bye.